Hi, my friends. So I have a very special treat for you. First, I'm in my guest bedroom. We don't use it very often, but I'm going to use it while I'm recording because it's nice and quiet and nobody comes in here. But while I am in this room, I want to show you guys something or someone that wanted to come and say hello. I found Echo. She was so nervous that she hasn't seen you guys in so long, and I told her that I would let her come to videotape, and she wanted to do some of the letter sounds with you guys also. So she also brought her letter sound cards, and we're going to practice these with Echo. So remember, when Echo's looking at me, I'm going to say the letter sounds and their name, the name and the sounds, and then the picture that goes with it. And then Echo's going to look at you, and that means it's your turn to say the letter name, the sound, and then the picture. Echo is so excited to see you, friends. Say, hey, Echo. All right, so we're going to get started. Remember, these are all random, and they're all in different order. So you just have to make sure you're paying attention to the letter names and what they look like, okay? All right, so remember, Echo's looking at me. R, rat, r. Y, yellow, ye. D, dog, d. X, fox, x. H, hat, K, kite, k. U, up, O, octopus, ah. Q, queen, qua. Remember, Q has its little buddy, U, that's always with it. W, wind, woo. V, van, v. E, ed, eh. F, fun, f. R, rat, r. J, jug, j. I, itch, I. N, nut, n. Z, zebra, z. M, man, mm. L, lamp, l. B, bat, b. S, snake, s. A, apple, a. T, top, t. P, pan, p. C, cat, k. G, game, g. Great job, friends. Say goodbye, Echo.